Hello, welcome to this tutorial on setting up our total station by doing a resection in Topcon Filed. Don't worry, I'll guide you through every step, so let's dive in. First, let's connect to our instrument via Bluetooth. Once connected, I'll press Setup and Resection. Now, at the Define Instrument Setup section, I will name my occupying point. The naming convention we are using is the date, February 25th, 2025, and the setup number, which is 1. I will change the description to RS, short for resection, and since we will be acquiring our instrument height from the triangulation, we set the HI here to 0. We then press Next. Here, we specify the first control point used. We have 3 methods of doing so. We can type the point number in the known point field, we can pick from the map, or we can choose from the list view. Since I know the point number is 200, I will leave it as that. You will also see there are 2 boxes checked to use the horizontal and vertical values in our measurement. We will leave them checked. I will confirm my prism type and constant, which is set to 360 prism with a constant of -7, and my HR or height of rod, which is set to 1.5 meters. I have the Topcon RC5A remote controller attached above my prism. I will aim the receiving strip shown in this image towards the instrument and press the RC icon at the upper left of the screen. The button at the bottom right will turn into a clock icon while the instrument searches for us. Once locked, the padlock icon will turn into a prism with a small padlock indicating the instrument is locked on the target. Now, the button at the bottom right is set to a measurement icon. I'll press the gears icon at the top right to quickly check my settings. My measure method is set to direct reverse and the tolerances look good. I press the green check to head back to the setup screen. Once the rod is plumb and I'm ready to take the shot, I press the measure button. The total station measures the direct face, then the screen shows an indication that it's measuring the reverse face, which is automatic. Once the measurement is complete, the point field will go blank, ready for me to indicate the next point in our resection. I press the map button, find the point I intend to use on the screen, and press it to select it. Now, with the next point selected and confirming I'm using the horizontal and vertical, and that my HR is still 1.5 meters, I can once again get the instrument to search for the prism since I've moved to the next point. Once I'm locked and the rod is plumb, I'm ready to take the next shot. Once the measurement is complete, a results screen will come up. We can see our horizontal and vertical angle and slope distance residuals at the top, along with averaged calculated residuals at the bottom left. Let's click Add to Measure in another point. Again, I'll press the map icon and select my next control point. After running through the preparation and measurement process once more, I am again presented with the results screen. If I scroll over, I can see that I could remove certain parameters from each measurement, such as horizontal or vertical if I choose to. Scrolling back, I will check the box for backsight on point 808287, as that is my furthest point. Once I'm happy with the results, I press Accept to finish up. And just like that, we've successfully performed a resection. Great! We are set up and ready to get to work. Thank you for watching and happy surveying.